left. It's all Highland Park, but you'll get better stuff. See, it's already burnt out up there. Motor City Coney.
$34 exactly.
Burn out. This is, once you start seeing blue street signs, you're in Highland Park. Blue, we're in Highland Park. That's where they put up a bunch of new houses and had to tear them down like a week later because everyone gutted them. Not all of them made it.
For real?
Yeah. They put up all these brand new houses and people gutted them before they could put them for sale.
Continue on Ferris Street for half a mile.
There's a football field right there.
That's where I played. So these are the houses I was looking at. I won.
This is Highland Park?
Yeah. Let me get that.
That's gotta be old.
I played on that field, dog.
How can I get closer?
I'm just gonna let me do something. I played football on that field. There used to be an alley going back behind it. Highland Park. That's amazing.
Oh.
That guy in that Tahoe. That guy looked right at me. Oh, he lived there. He was probably wondering what the hell I was doing. I was getting my glory day. I played on that field. There's a scoreboard.
What's that big building that's abandoned behind him?
I don't know. They tore the school down. But I remember playing, and there was an alley, and it was those houses that you could see from the field. And this was back in 2000. Look at over there. See the new ones that are rotted out? Those houses.
Skinny.
Yeah, they put up rows of them, and they had to tear them all down.
That's weird. Can't put up sexual couches.
Some survived, but a lot of them got torn down. At the football field, bro. That's amazing.
I wasn't sure what it was.
Yeah, I played.
Tore that house down, took out the basement.
Recently. I can't believe because
This one's good.
Detroit said they weren't going to spend any of their resources in Highland Park.
They had an apartment right here. Jesus, toilets.
Yeah, I won twice on that football field. Then they got good after I graduated. They got real good. Like they were competing with King and stuff.
Yeah, because I don't
Look, there's the old locker room dings.
Really?
Yeah, because you had to drive the bus like almost a mile from off this road to go see what old this school is. Ferris and John R. But that's dope. Can't believe they still have the gymnasium. They still have the scoreboard up and stuff in the press box.
Big ass.
Yeah, that's gigantic. Look how skinny those houses are. I want to say they put them up in the early 2000s. And most of them got torn back down. Yeah, that reminds me of like Philadelphia or Camden or something. Oh shit, it's got Fresh Honor. Powerhouse. We're right by where what's his name that used to be with Doughboys? The one that went to jail and shot up the strip club in Highland Park? Little chubby kid that got signed to, what's his name from Chicago? Yeah, Jordan.
That's it, yeah.
We're right by the strip club. He supposedly shot someone there.
He should be getting out soon.
No, he got 60 years, bro.
He got 60?
Yeah, they supposedly he murdered somebody.
He took it all the way to trial.
Yeah. He came out with a song when he was in the thing that the streets got no love or something.
Dang. I wonder if Doughboys put money on his books.
They would be flaky if they're not. Because he
but
was
like,
their rider, man. He was the only one that would look out for them. They weren't out the streets. Well, Rock was, yeah, but the rest weren't. They was living in Oak Park, worrying about how they dress.
You heard him in the song. With the Oak Park and Oak Park and all litter.
Twice the 5'9" did. He's from Oak Park. But he claims
Oak
it anyway.
Park's like, yeah, but it's right across the street
Right.
from him.
These are newer houses.
And you know they were going to tear down that wall?
By Grosse Point?
No, like, for Warren in Detroit or whatever. There's a huge long.
I thought it was
wall.
at Grosse Point.
I don't think so. But, 'cause I know it's on 8 Mile. But the builder
We're like,
was a black dude.
there's a whole nother section we're missing, like on the other side of that school.
Those skinny houses are crazy to me, dude.
Yeah, they look like row homes without
I don't
rows.
like that.
Oh, there's a burnout one from
Here's
the
one.
back.
This one's super skinny, dog.
Yeah, that's weird. I'd live in it though.
But you know what's crazy? It probably looks huge on the inside.
Right. Something burnt down over here.
All over. Look at that house, no top.
We went down that street, I believe.
I don't think so.
Oh,
Because we haven't made our way this far yet.
no. Yeah, you gotta go south on Woodward to get the rest of Highland Park. And then it's on both sides, because see, we're back in Detroit again. A lot to be running. Highland Park football field, man. Dude, I didn't know it was up still like this. I played on this field twice. I know, but I took a far one. This is a good close-up. Alrighty. That's awesome. Look at that old warehouse. Yeah, that's where the bus came. I told you the bus came way down there. See that old factory? Ain't that the Henry Ford factory in Highland Park? Like the first one he built? The Model T plant?
That was him or was it GM?
Oh, it's him.
It's a huge building.
Right.
My buildings aren't that big. And they had levels. But the only upstairs we got is to the Raptors.
You can turn down any. We gotta get into Highland Park that way.
So no going straight.
Right. It's this way. Like towards Woodward and stuff.
Gang, gang. Peasy, small town.
All
Small
kinds of
town
stuff.
ghetto. They got bumpers galore over here.
Wow.
Yeah, at least they got it set up good.
Right.
Thought you were passing.
Oh man.
Cut that bumper out. But the guy got rid of it.
drive down here at like 2 a.m., it's like real quiet and eerie.
Bro, you're breathing so hard. You got the back window going. And
Yeah, dude.
my side is beautiful.
Look how abandoned poor Highland Park is.
It's just people from me.
Yeah, I'm getting all the views I can.
Let's go. Somebody cut that out.
Over there's neighborhoods and over here. You don't want to get too far, then we'll be back in Detroit. I think we already are. No, it's blue. Go down these streets because it turns into Detroit quick. Tyler Street. Old minivan. Whoa, there's an old stolen car back there. That's looking for a second. And then ooh, look at that house. Yoink.
Oh, he did a sweet rap on it. Did you see that, Charger?
You're good.
I can't see.
Oh, the fish are straight in front of us.
That's a dope picture. Wish it wasn't as far.
Right. Man, this block's real bad. And my film's about to run out. Ooh, that house. Seen
Seen better days.
I got 1 minute. Get the rest of this block and then I gotta go. Can't believe this is still standing, you know? Highland Park is something.